To adjust detection settings of your Tapo C310, then simply go to the Tapo app and launch your camera, and then tap on the settings icon in the top right corner, and then you will see detection. So tap on that, and then this is where you can adjust all your detection settings. So for instance, you can turn motion detection on or off from here. So that's how to turn off. And when you turn it on like that, you can also adjust the sensitivity. So how sensitive do you want this detection of motion to be? Then you can go back and then select person detection. So the previous one is just any kind of motion, but this one is specifically for motion of people. So if a person is detected, you can choose to turn it off or on. Then also you can adjust the sensitivity for that. Now you can also set up line crossing detection. So for instance, you can set, if you turn this on, you can be able to set a specific area where, or a boundary where if that line is crossed, then you get notifications for that. Okay, so you can tap on add and then set a specific boundary. So for instance, let's say you want this area off limits. So anything, if anything crosses from this side to this side of the line, or from this side to this side of the line, then you get a notification detection. So you can save that. Okay, so that's how to deal with line crossing detection. Same goes for area, but this time you draw an area in the field of view of your camera, where if anything moves within that area, then you get notifications. So these are called activity zones. So you can tap on that and then tap on plus, and then you can set an activity zone. Now, as you can see, if anything moves outside of that zone, then nothing happens. But if something moves within that zone, you get a notification. So that is basically how to set that up. Now, I'm going to just go back to the main page. Then you have the camera tampering notification. So if the camera detects that it's being tampered with, so for instance, if it's been covered or something, then it sends you a notification even when it cannot see anything. So for instance, if I turn this on like this, and then I come from the side and just cover the camera, then you do get a notification for tampering. There you go. It says an intrusion was detected. So that is basically how you can play around with those detection settings of your Tapo C310. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.